Stuck with the Mail Monitor Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. As we get into the manual process for Mail Monitor Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Mail Monitor Library, frequently found in third-party antivirus suites or localized email clients to manage background attachment scanning and localized notification triggers. If missing, the email client will report security module load failure and may be unable to send or receive messages securely. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Errors related to Mail Monitor Library DLL often mean the internal localized mail monitoring logic configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Mail Monitor library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Mail Monitor Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. One approach to reviewing Mail Monitor Library references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. If Mail Monitor Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.